This is my experiment on elephant toothpaste. My materials were plastic bottles, yeast, warm water, dish soap, food coloring, hydrogen peroxide, 3%, a measuring cup, and gloves. The first step is to get your hydrogen peroxide and measure out 1/3 cup to put into each bottle. The second step of the experiment is to put a little bit of dish soap into each of the bottles and then swirl it around. The third step of the experiment is to add food coloring into each of the 3 bottles. The fourth step is to get your yeast and measure out 1 tablespoon and put it into a measuring cup. The next step is to measure out 3 tablespoons of water, add it into the measuring cup, and mix until fully dissolved. Once you've made the yeast mixture, you can add it into each bottle and watch the reaction happen. The experiment causes a chemical change in the hydrogen peroxide, which is made up of H2O2, and the yeast is used to make the change. This then turns the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, H2O and O2, because inside yeast there's an enzyme called catalase, which is used as a catalyst to protect the yeast from any damage. And so it'll break up the hydrogen peroxide, which is harmful, into H2O and O2, making it harmless. And then the oxygen from that combines with the dish soap to create bubbles, which then makes the elephant toothpaste.